Welcome to Luxury Insider Channel. Today, we explore the bold, capable, and refined 2026 Land Rover Defender, a modern icon that blends legendary off-road strength with cutting-edge technology and premium comfort. Designed for drivers who want adventure without sacrificing luxury, the latest Defender represents the evolution of one of the most respected SUVs ever built. The exterior design of the 2026 Defender stays true to its heritage while embracing modern sophistication. Its boxy silhouette, short overhangs, and high ground clearance remain unmistakable, yet the updated model introduces refined LED lighting, new alloy wheel designs, aerodynamic improvements, and enhanced color options. Every line serves a purpose, balancing rugged durability with contemporary style. Reinforced body panels and a rigid aluminum architecture ensure both strength and efficiency, allowing the Defender to tackle harsh terrains while maintaining excellent on-road performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Defender offers multiple advanced powertrain options engineered for performance and efficiency. Depending on configuration, drivers can choose turbocharged inline-six engines, mild hybrid systems, plug-in hybrid variants, and powerful V8 performance models. These engines deliver impressive horsepower while maintaining smooth responsiveness and improved fuel economy. The intelligent all-wheel drive system constantly monitors traction conditions, automatically adjusting torque distribution to maintain control whether driving on highways, muddy trails, sand dunes, or snowy mountain roads. One of the Defender's strongest advantages is its legendary off-road capability. The latest model continues to feature terrain response technology, allowing drivers to select driving modes tailored to sand, rock, snow, or mud. Adaptive air suspension raises or lowers ride height automatically, improving approach and departure angles for serious off-road adventures while delivering a smooth ride in urban environments. Advanced hill descent control, water weighting sensors, and traction management systems provide confidence in extreme conditions, proving that luxury and capability can coexist seamlessly. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Defender delivers a sophisticated environment built for both comfort and durability. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, sustainable trims, brushed aluminum accents, and optional wood finishes create a modern yet rugged interior atmosphere. Spacious seating accommodates passengers comfortably across multiple body styles, including the Defender 90, 110, and extended 130 versions, offering flexible configurations for families, explorers, or business users. Large panoramic glass roofs enhance cabin brightness, providing an open and airy feel during long journeys. Technology plays a major role in elevating the Defender's luxury appeal. The latest infotainment system features a larger touchscreen interface with faster processing speeds, wireless smartphone connectivity, integrated navigation, and advanced voice controls. Over-the-air software updates ensure that the vehicle continues improving long after purchase. A premium surround sound audio system delivers immersive entertainment, while customizable digital instrument displays provide essential driving information with clarity and modern design. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been significantly upgraded for the 2026 model. The Defender includes advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking systems, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera visibility, enhancing both urban driving convenience and off-road awareness. Intelligent parking assist and trailer stability features make towing easier, supporting the Defender's strong towing capability for boats, campers, or heavy equipment. These systems work quietly in the background, ensuring drivers feel secure without compromising the vehicle's adventurous spirit. Beyond performance and comfort, sustainability has become an important focus for the new Defender generation. Hybrid powertrains and improved engine efficiency reduce emissions while maintaining strong performance output. Sustainable interior materials and responsible manufacturing practices demonstrate the brand's commitment to environmentally conscious innovation, ensuring the Defender remains relevant in a rapidly changing automotive landscape. On the road, the 2026 Land Rover Defender represents more than just an SUV. It symbolizes a lifestyle built around freedom, exploration, and confidence. By combining heritage design, advanced technology, powerful performance, and luxurious comfort, this latest Defender continues to set benchmarks in the premium off-road segment. For drivers seeking a vehicle capable of handling extreme terrain while delivering everyday luxury, the new Defender stands as one of the most compelling choices available today.